Hey YouTube, I got another video. Today I'm working with Caitlyn hair, and I got a 13x4 chocolate brown 22-inch straight wig, and it has 3 clips in the front and 1 in the back with the adjustable straps. I went in and plucked the hairline some more because it wasn't as natural as I wanted it to be coming out of the pack. And this is me just putting it on and examining it. And I ended up actually loving this wig. The hair was really soft. It was really easy to part and melt the lace. And the hair was true to length. It definitely gave 22 inches. So here you see me just using the Eben stronghold lace spray. And I'm putting my cap down, just melting my cap in my skin because I do not cut my caps. I just don't think it's necessary. And then I remove my ear tabs per usual and lay the thing on down. This company had some great shipping. It came really fast, and my wig came with some goodies. I got a brush and wig caps, which I love. The packaging was amazing. And right here you just see me pulling the wig down into the adhesive a little bit by little and combing it in just to make sure that it melts all the way through and I don't miss any pieces around my hairline. And I'm just gonna tie it down to melt it all the way through. And give it like a few minutes. You can blow dry it or you can just let it air dry. Either way, give it some time to melt. And here you just see me kind of looking to see which way I wanted to part the wig. But it ended up looking good in every part, in every direction, like either side or the middle to me. But I decided to go with a regular side part on the side that I wear my part on, which is the left side of my head. I learned this trick on TikTok. Cut the lace in 3 different parts and then take the razor and do it in sections. It's so much easier that way. And yeah, I just was able to get closer to my hairline with cutting my lace this time, and I like it. And I just sprayed it again and tied it down to melt that lace. And this is me removing the band, and as you can see, melted. I absolutely love this color too. The color wasn't patchy or anything like that. It was even all the way across the wig, and the hair was really soft. The lace melted into my skin. I did tint the lace with my foundation, but it just didn't take a lot. Like, this wig was really giving, and I really enjoyed working with this company. Of course, as always, I'm gonna put the wig in the description and place a screenshot somewhere in this video. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all again next week. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Check me out, though. Yeah, giving.